I'm not. This is not funny. I'm not. So in my last interview, I discovered there's something, something called there's like a question mark. So I guess all the questions come over there. So I'll definitely look at you guys' questions and answer them. I know a lot of you have been requesting me to come live on my birthday, but like I said, I won't be going live on my birthday. It's one day before my birthday, and I said I will go live one day before my birthday because I really want to hi Drashti. I really want to enjoy and celebrate my birthday. So yes, here I am, all you wonderful people. Drashti, what plans tonight? I don't know, just in my PJs. Okay. Rajiv, hello. I miss you too. Oh man, if I was in London, how awesome would it be? Drashti, stop it. Happy birthday in advance, M Surbi 19. Yes, Drashti, you can come and meet me. Hi, Abhas. Okay, now I just have all my friends being silly on live. Yes, Drashti, I said you can come and see me. Sorry guys, being very silly about this whole situation. Okay, I'm gonna go to the question wala section. I don't know, I've never done this. Rajiv, that's a really long flight to come see me. In the midst of a global pandemic, I'm sure you don't want to do that. Okay, let me see. Going to the questions. Okay, I have Rajiv's question that says, Sanaya, can you come to London? I miss you. Yes, Rajiv, I promise you, the minute it becomes a little safe to travel, I will be the first one doing that. I miss you too. How do you stay? Okay, so or underscore batao says, how do you stay positive and cheerful? And happy birthday to my idol in advance. When we all try to stay positive and cheerful. Isn't that I just feel like I feel like everyone's aim in life should just be to be happy, and every time it's something different that makes you happy. It's not only one thing makes you happy. So I just try to do things that really satisfy my soul, and I think when you follow that path in life, you'll automatically be positive and happy in life because you're doing things that truly do make you happy. So that's my mantra. And that being said, we all have good days, we have bad days. I'm not the best person in the world, and I just work on becoming a better version of myself every single day. That's what I do. Okay, what's my favorite travel destination? Leah Ismail asked me. Leah, actually, I don't know if I'm pronouncing your name right, but sorry if my pronunciation is wrong. Leah, I don't have a favorite because it's really hard to pick. I think when somebody loves traveling so much, it's very, very hard to pick one destination. But I will say that my trip to Spain, I think, was my most fun trip. So I really, really enjoyed Spain, but I'm not saying that's my most favorite destination. How did you survive and go through hard times? R Sung 26 asked me this question. So R Sung, like I said, I'm a big believer in time. Sabka time aata hai aur jata bhi hai. And I think if you cherish the wonderful time in your life, you have to somewhere be ready for difficulties that will come in your life. But I think what I always look at is whenever something hard happens or something bad happens to me that I feel is bad, I think it's very important to just take a look at people who don't even have as much as you do. And that just makes you feel so much better. So I think from feeling bad and having hard times, I just translate into becoming extremely grateful for what I have. because everybody, like, if you look around, you will definitely have something more than somebody else, and you just need to be grateful for that. And it's how you want to look at it, and I think that's how I look at life. Hard times are hard, they're very, very hard, but I think you just have to stay very focused on what you want from your life and how you want to deal with it. Because I think panicking, becoming sad, going into your cocoon is not going to make it any easier. Honestly, you just have to deal with it. It comes and it goes, and then there are good times. And I think more than the good times, it's always the hard times that we will remember in life. So that's something that we should just keep with us. How am I going to celebrate my birthday? Neha asked me. Just with some close friends. I mean, we are really in the midst of a global pandemic, so there's not much. I think tonight, tomorrow night, different sets of people, because not everybody is comfortable meeting each other. And I'm not really doing a celebration. It's just whoever wants to come, whoever wants to wish me can come and wish me. Of course, Mohit and me are being extremely, extremely cautious also. So also because Mohit works, and I think everyone should keep that. Like, I keep telling all my friends, I was like, he goes to set every day, it's not really safe. So yeah, won't be able to meet my parents this birthday, which is actually the most heartbreaking thing. Yeah. Okay, it's me, Ahana. What's my favorite song? Honestly, Ahana, I'm just not that kind of person who has a favorite. So when people ask me what's my favorite movie, what's my favorite song, also I have terrible memory, so I can't really think of anything. So no favorite song. Noitzmure. I don't know. I'm pronouncing it absolutely wrong. Any new show with Barun? No, there is no new show with Barun, and I promise you guys, when there is, everybody will know about it. Reni Saluja asked me, are you still in touch with Mile Jab Hum Tum friends? No, I'm not in touch with everybody from Mile Jab Hum Tum. There are a few people from production, there are a few creatives, obviously in touch with Arjun, but yeah, that's about it. And Mohit is my husband, just in case. A Monaya fan asked, please ask Mohit to join. Sweetheart, I would love to ask him to join, but he is not here. He is shooting, though he should be coming home anytime soon. If he does come before my live ends, I will ask him to join. Sangeeta Singh Chauhan said, happy birthday. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. Thank you for all your wishes, all the love. Havin Tekken 67 said, how old are you? You're not supposed to ask a girl her age, but if you just want to, you can Wikipedia it. I don't know if it's actually right over there. I have no idea. Okay, I'm going to take some interesting questions. Bollywood Blonde asked me, who is your favorite co-star you have ever worked with? Like I said, guys, I don't really have a favorite. I'm just not that kind of person who has one favorite thing, one favorite movie, one favorite song, one best friend. I just like so many things. I think every co-star brings something so different to the table. They are so different. Everyone has a different kind of talent. So I actually enjoy how different each of my co-stars are from the other. But that being said, obviously I had a lot of fun with Mohit, considering he's my husband and we got married. Barun, had a lot of fun with Barun. Shivam, he's a sweetheart. He was with me in Ghost. Absolutely sweet. And who else? What else did I do? Yeah, I mean, I had really a lot of fun with these guys. So when will I come back to TV? We miss you, says Suj Draws. I don't know what your name is, but is it Suj or is it Draws? But I really hope I get something that I'm looking for. And like I said, whatever I get, as long as it's what I'm looking for, it doesn't matter which platform it is.